What's up, my LS crazy amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah. What's going on? You guys know about the Trailblazer SS project. I took the heads off. I remember when I was doing the Chevelle, a couple people asked me, how'd you get your deck where the heads bolt up to the block so clean? This is where you need to take your time, slow down, give a little time to this. So it's very simple. I'm going to show you exactly how I went about doing it to go from this to this. It's a home run! Coverman, Wilson, Coverman. I'm sorry. It's pretty simple. A little bit of brake clean to loosen up the dirt, and I go at it with a Roloc wheel. This is a 3M Roloc wheel, and this will not remove any of the metal from the block or the heads or whatever, wherever you put it on, but it will clean it very nicely. My safety clean on the rag. I don't put it on the piston, but I put it on the rag, and I just see that's that oil, and I think I told you how, well, my theory is how that oil got there. If you had a catch can, this would never happen. Well, I don't know if it never would happen, but even still, it wouldn't be nowhere near as bad as this. Wilson, Coverman, Will. There you have it. Now, if you don't have an air compressor, you can get this attachment right here and put in your drill bit and work just as well. And that is how I clean my metal mating surfaces whenever I take the heads off, and I want to make sure you get a nice clean surface to mate your heads. So now, if you like these videos, you know what to do. Subscribe. And as I always say, tell a friend, because we're having fun here at the garage shop making these videos for you. And hopefully this can help you out on your build, get you in the garage, hopefully give you a little bit of encouragement to get in the garage and build your dream, not buy one. All right? So I'm looking at the clock on the wall, corner, or should I say ceiling. It's time for me to head on off and continue doing this build. Watch out for it, because there's going to be some surprises with this truck, all right? So as always, please be easy. And I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.